Okay, now let us come here. Today, what we are going to do, we are going to create a Windows VM. And here we are going to deploy Docker on that. For that, only problem, there is one big problem here. All VM don't support Docker. For example, select this version. Windows Server 2022 Azure Edition X62 Generation 2 will support. And this OS will support per size. If you know, all these sizes won't support. If you select one CPU, two CPU, it won't support. To work with Docker, you need to have at least 4 CPUs. I'll give you a point.
So one question, how is yours is working, sir? Yours is Pro or what?
Yeah, mine is Pro.
But it's Office one?
This is my Office laptop.
But Office laptop, it's access of everything is there.
Yeah.
Oh, you're DevOps, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're in a DevOps department. Okay, fine.
Yeah. I have all the access to it.
Right. I'm not in a department. That's why I don't have access.
Okay. Yeah, if you look at here, only select D4, V3, 4 CPU, 16 GB memory. I'll get my point. You can select our V4V, this V4V CPUs. Only few VMs will support Hyper-V. Do you know what is Hyper-V?
Yes, that also we got it. It is there in the turn off window. In that Hyper-V also I have selected in Pro. In laptop Pro.
But basically to manage multiple OS.
Virtual VM.
Yeah, it's a virtual machine. Yeah, hypervisor. Hypervisor is nothing but the same VM. We can work with multiple VMs actually. Slicing. Yeah, perfect. It's slicing the VM.
While I was getting this issue, I just found all these things now.
Okay.
From yesterday, 10 times I restarted.
Okay. Yeah. In real time also, you will get a lot of
one issue got stuck. Everything we'll come to know everything.
Yes. Yeah, we create this one, and you can only install Docker if that OS supports Hyper-V. If it doesn't support Hyper-V, you can't. Why our container need hypervisor?
Sir, in a home version, hypervisor is not there. In this Pro version, it is there.
Yeah. My question is, first of all, what is Hyper-V?
Hypervisor, sir.
Yeah, hypervisor. What is that?
It splits the VM. It's many
slices. Actually, it slices the VM.
VM, yeah, multiple VM.
Yeah. So, what is the use of it?
So, what is the difference between hypervisor and Docker then? This is also container split. Splitting a container.
Yes, splitting the VM into multiple versions. Container is that, but to do that, that particular VM should support Hyper-V. If it doesn't have Hyper-V, it cannot split. Container, what will it do actually?
Hypervisor also it is splitting only. It is splitting according
container,
to the
what will do? What will it do? Container
specifically it equalizes according to the application. It equals.
It is also splitting.
Yes, both are splitting.
It is also splitting the same VM into multiple VMs. Not physically, logically, it is actually splitting.
Virtually.
If your OS doesn't have the feature, how can it split?
Then you can't split. Yeah, it won't
for
support.
That reason, for that reason.
That is why Docker is not supporting now. Home.
Yeah. Home it won't support.
Home it is not supporting hypervisor also. Hyper-V.
Now let us connect to it. Have you casted your oath?
Sure.
In Mumbai, it would be on 20th May.
Okay. Rahul, where are you?
I'm in Hyderabad now, but my thing is Mumbai, but I'm not going in there. Yeah.
In Telangana, was it today?
Today it's Telangana. Yeah. Today we had a holiday also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, you're working in which company?
I'm in Tanga.
I can't say the company name, bro.
Okay. No, you told on that there's something Australian company.
Yeah, Australian company. Australian logistic company. I can tell that.
Sir, are you in high-tech city?
Yeah, I'm in high-tech city only.
Okay. Mindspace?
Not. Do you know Milangi Towers?
Where is it?
Somewhere near Pace Hospital. Do you know Pace Hospital?
Oh, okay. Madhapur.
Yeah, Madhav. Yes.
Base hospital. Okay.
Behind that. Yeah. If you look at here, guys, can you see?
Yeah, I made enable for this.
Yeah. But this OS should support it.
Yes.
Otherwise, yeah.
But has it clicked actually?
If you get this message, that means Hyper-V cannot be installed on this particular OS.
Okay.
Hyper-V can be installed because version support not enabled in the BIOS. So what we need to do? Yeah.
So is it because of the BIOS in the sense your local laptop issue, or it's a Windows?
No, it's a server issue. That means
Okay.
I need to create another VM.
Because this is also you selected this Azure VM, right? Azure.
Yeah, Azure VM also you can't. All VMs don't support Hyper-V, and Microsoft keep on changing. Last time what I have done, I stored that particular image where I was able to create it. If you look at it, Microsoft will keep on changing that. If you look at here, can you see Docker VM image? With this image, this particular
hot patch.
Yeah, this combination worked for me. One of the classes.
Probably this time you are not selected with this hot patch or hot patch one. You just selected with Azure this thing.
Let us select this. In real time, what will happen? The architect will give us the proper. They will have the proper knowledge. They will give the exact VM on which we need to select. So generally, we go then we select it. It won't give us any issue.
Correct.
But here, every time, I need to spend good
amount
of
time. This is what you selected. You need to select with hot patch. Yeah. Cost is increased. Earlier they are having 328 per month.
Four CPUs, same.
Now they have increased to 512.
Okay, 512, yeah.
Without telling to us. This actually cloud is like a checker view. Once you get everything inside, you will not able to take anything outside.
Yeah. For small companies, cloud is not really a good option. You know.
Correct.
It is better.
Even for critical companies like big companies also actually, once they moved everything inside the cloud, it would be very difficult again. Get back to the.
If something goes wrong, a lot of you have to. It will cost a very high amount for the company.
Yes.
Manage everything. Yeah, but because of the high availability and the security, the companies
few options are really good actually. Like high availability and VMSS and all those things are really good actually. But we are, I don't know, it's like I still like this thing Azure Cloud, because in 2021 actually I also completed my Azure Solution Architect, but somehow I'm not getting the opportunity. That has been the problem. Currently I'm working on Snowflake actually.
Okay, Snowflake you're working.
Snowflake as an admin I'm working. And
where you're working in Hyderabad or Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Okay, and you're ending only 15 LPA? How
That's
many years? How many experience you have?
11 years.
11 years, 15 LPA is a very less amount.
I know. That's the reason actually. My actually previous almost 10 years experience is in Oracle only.
Okay.
From last 1 year only actually, because my manager actually told me that he'll be giving me opportunity in Azure area. So that's the reason I joined this project, and then he initially told me to work on Snowflake. But now I don't see any visibility that he's going to give me even in the near future. So that's the reason actually I joined the class, and then I will internally switch within the company.
Yeah, internally first always try to switch within the company.
Yeah, because if I go outside, they will take me left and right if I don't perform.
Yeah, definitely. Initially,
get some experience, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. So even to get the experience, even to crack the internal interview,
internally
we have something, right?
Yes. That is the reason I've joined.
If you really don't get opportunity in real time, now it's very pain.
Yes. We need to see the real things.
Yeah.
We need to take out the time actually to learn all these things.
I have tried to get the video link, but I couldn't able to access that video link from past 2 months. I couldn't able to do it. Even with the admin also, they are not giving it. Just to see the download, what is happening real time. I can't able to see it.
If all these
you could sit with them and you can see all those things, in your company.
But no one is ready to show me actually.
Why? You should be.
Yeah, they are in a knock room, separate. They are completely in a secured place.
Okay.
That's the reason.
I was able to learn Azure because of my friends only. I used to work as a backend developer. What I have done, I used to work in dating. I used to take my laptop with them. I used to see how they are doing it.
So when you're working, when you're a friend, when you're very close, then definitely you can share it. But
they helped us a lot for me. In those days, they helped a lot.
Yeah,
you should have a good friend in work.
Good friend should be. Only then they can, because for everything there is a security.
Yeah. You can't perform everything on your laptop.
Yeah. As you see, like right now itself, for practice itself, I'm just getting on bills and bills. It's getting as you go, pay as you go. So every hour it is keep on building up.
Yes.
So that is the reason they have a security purpose. So today what we are installing the VM, and in that VM we are going to install the Docker also, right?
Yeah, the same thing what we have done yesterday. But today just Hyper-V will be more, and enabling inbound port till now how we have enabled by executing the PowerShell script now. But did I show how it will be done manually?
Yeah. This time you have selected Ubuntu or Windows. No, you didn't select Windows, right? Ubuntu,
Windows, right? It's Windows only, no?
Windows hot patch.
This time I've selected a previously worked solution. If you look at here, this.
Ubuntu we didn't select this time.
Ubuntu we have already seen.
Yeah. Now it is Windows.
It is Windows 10.
So this one also I can't able to do it because of OS.
Yeah, OS issues. Yeah.
I hope Kubernetes also it is supports Docker or what?
Yeah, Kubernetes also you will get issues.
Oh, then Kubernetes also I can't do it.
Yeah, you can't do it.
I thought I'll upgrade to Windows 11 Home, then I can do it. But Manish is already struggling.
Home edition isn't.
Home edition it won't work. Then I have to take for a Pro. How much it is cost? At least per month or something. So this month we can close it, right?
Yeah, this one we can close this.
No, bro. Why are you closing? Like there are a lot of things to learn. Like you told initially, it will be there till June, right?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, 40 hours I need to take. If the topics are not covered, I can take 5 more classes.
Okay.
But please don't skip anything, bro.
And without whatever prompts, everything will be taught, guys. Don't worry.
But the syllabus will be there. No, whatever.
Yeah, syllabus is there.
Otherwise, I'm thinking even to join, 10 p.m. batch actually. You are taking it, right? 10 p.m. batch?
Yeah, 10 yes, I'm taking.
So how many students are there in 10 p.m. batches?
The same strength was actually 8 members, I think. 8. But
again, it got reduced or what? Like us?
I don't know.
The
lot of students, they only attend half, and after that they lost interest. I don't know why.
Actually,
after 15 days, I have joined, and till then everyone was there. After I joined, everyone left.
Yeah, yes, Rahul.
Exactly. I don't know.
Because you
and for this batch only it has happened. Yeah. So, guys, can you do one thing? Both of you, can you please Google and try to identify which version supports Hyper-V?
Okay.
Current, I'll get my point.
Hyper-V's latest version.
Yeah, latest on which Windows VM it will support. If you look at here, we have a lot of VMs.
The Pro it will support, sir. Pro it will support.
Yeah, on Pro it will support, but I want to show you how it will be done on server. Okay. Server is then I want to if you select Pro, it will support. If you this one.
Because in Pro Hyper-V is there.
Yeah, this 11, 10, if you support here, if you execute a VM here, it will support.
I'm searching.
My work laptop, it is there, Hyper-V. It should support.
Yeah, it will support on Pro. But apart from Pro, what you can do later, if you have some time, select one of these images and try to change these sizes. Always look for higher CPUs and higher RAM. And if you're able to install Hyper-V, then what you need to do, the same thing. How you have done on a Windows machine, what you have done after you installed Docker, you install Hyper-V, then you install Windows subsystem for Linux. Then what you will do, you have to restart the server.
Correct. I did that.
You have to install Docker desktop. Then copy the code to the particular Windows machine. Then execute those commands. Same thing. What we have done on a Windows machine, same thing you have to do on a Windows VM. Only the extra thing which we are going to do is installing that Hyper-V.
Can I share my screen?
You want me to? Yeah, you can share.
Yeah, just because actually I was just checking. So it is showing this Windows 2019 Standard Edition is supporting. I don't know, like
Windows 2009.
Deploy DV3 and EV3 series Windows Server VM in Azure that supports nested virtualization. So
okay, you guys do it. You share this screen in the chat so that Rahul can also try.
Okay.
Rahul, you just do you know how to install it on a Windows machine? You know that, correct?
No.
Which one? Hyper-V.
Hyper-V, I have shown you now. Just
it is there.
It is already there in the features. That is
right.
And after that, at the rest of the steps are the same as we have done for the Windows machine.
Correct.
You download Docker. You start the Docker.
Just tell me, like, do we need to download this Docker desktop on the server OS?
Definitely, you have to download. You have to download and install that Docker OS on your server.
Oh, in VM we have to do it.
Yeah, in the VM you have to do it.
Oh,
I thought it would be something different Docker thing.
Oh, no. You have to install Docker, guys.
But why are we installing Docker desktop? So that is meant for Windows 11, 10 and 11, right? Even for Windows Server also, do we need to install Docker?
Server also you need. Without Docker, how can you create container?
I understood we need to install Docker, but Docker desktop is a different thing, right? Which is meant for workstation like Windows 10 or 11.
Not only for Windows 10 or 11, for all Windows servers it will work.
Okay, but in
what I can do
in enterprise,
let me show you.
So we can't do it, no sir.
Okay. Installing the Docker provider so that you can without using the software, you can create containers. This is the second way of creating the Docker on the server.
Yeah, this is the second thing, right? Second, what is it?
Yep. But it will contain a lot of PowerShell scripts which need to execute one after the other.
Okay.
How we have done it for our Linux VMs there.
Yeah,
the same thing you have to perform, but no need to perform these things. Still also work, but if you work with Docker desktop, it's that thing. All those things will be readily available in the Docker desktop. So yeah, you can try to work with the containers. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Okay, got it.
Let me share my screen. Can you share my? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, this is one more thing actually which I'm seeing.
Lot of the things. Docker
Yeah.
multi-stage implement. Do you know that? That is very, very important. Yeah,
So-
there's a lot of the things. Bro.
Yeah,
To explain for me.
I'm stopping my share.
Yeah, you stop. Now, quickly let us do one thing because only 7 minutes is left. What we can do? I'll quickly show how to create this DNS. Do you know what is DNS?
DNS, I heard somewhere.
This is mapping.
Yeah, domain name system where you will map the domain name with an IP, correct?
Yes.
So what you want to do, you simply create one DNS zone like this. Give a name, for example, should be a website, any URL, give anything. Yeah, okay. How it will done in real time? You know, whenever we do a project, we all know that the domain name might have already purchased it by the client, or you are going to purchase it, correct? For the production end, correct? After you purchase it, you have already, I've shown you now by using app service domain, we can purchase our domain name.
Yes.
Yeah. After you purchase it, only thing you have to create this DNS zone. Agree my point? When you're typing this email ID, by the time you type here, you should have already purchased it. You should have email readily available in your hand. Are you getting my point? This URL. Don't ever create a DNS zone without purchasing this domain.
Custom domain.
So you have to first purchase that domain, then set up a DNS zone on that particular domain.
Sir, further we are going to use that one. Is that necessary?
Yeah, definitely, because after you purchase the domain, how will you associate that with your app service or with your VM or with anything else? Are you getting my point? Your application might be installed or deployed to an app service, or it could be deployed to a Docker, it could be deployed to a VM, it could be anywhere, correct? Your application could be anywhere. I'm correct.
But we are getting IPs and all properly so that like we can access it. But why we need to purchase this website?
Okay, will you give that IP to the end user?
But right now we are going to practice, right? We are not going to give it to anyone. Right?
No.
He's
Generally
talking in
real
front
time,
of
enterprise. You have to purchase a real URL. Na? In real time, will you purchase? Definitely, you will purchase. Na? You can't
are we going to use it? Are we going to use it now in Kubernetes and all that stuff?
No, guys. Here, I'm just showing you. Did I purchase this domain? Now, I did not purchase it. Na? This domain. But why I'm telling you what I'm telling you? In real time, when you do it, you should have this domain created, readily available for you.
Okay, in real time, you're saying. Okay.
In real time, here, you type any domain. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Here, it won't work. But in real time, it will work. If you have purchased that actual domain. Are you getting my point?
We are going through to this DNS zone again, right? In the future classes.
What?
No, we are going to with this DNS zone again in the future classes, right?
No, we have just started. Na? There is an entire class tomorrow, and we will discuss the entire thing on a DNS zone. I'm just introducing.
So this is you already purchased this domain, right?
No, I did not purchase.
Okay.
I did not purchase, but nothing will happen if you look at here.
Okay.
Just wait. Here, though, I am creating this domain because you haven't purchased it real time. So it will not work. But in real time, those things will work. Are you getting my point?
Yeah. So that's what we are saying. First, basically, we should have this custom domain purchased, and after that only basically we should go.
And after that only you do it in real time, not here.
In real time,
we can't purchase domains now. One after the other.
That is what I'm asking, sir.
But you already have, right? You are saying the custom domain purchased.
No, I did not purchase any domain.
No, sir. You said last class you have already purchased it.
For one of the company, we have done it.
Okay.
But then bro, how are you going to do this exercise then for custom?
Then no, we can't purchase for every batch. Then I'll be Kangal, na? Because
if maybe Rahul is having, or maybe if I'm having, basically.
Yeah, actually, what you can do from every batch, there is at least one student who purchased that. Generally, it will happen. Every batch there is one student who is who is willing to pay that amount. It won't cost you more than $20.
Yeah.
But why we want to purchase it?
If you want to see it actually.
So India domain is fine, right? Even if you not go with the .com, .in should be fine, right?
Anything is fine.
Okay, let me see if I
let us quickly come back here. So this you have created, na? After you purchase, you create that. This zone we have created. Okay, what we will do here? Look at here. There will be name servers. Name server 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we will be doing? Just open CMD and type NSLOOKUP. If you type NSLOOKUP google.com, what you will get?
IP address.
You will get an IP address, correct?
Yes.
What is this? This could be an app service IP. This could be a VM's IP. This could be a Docker container instance IP. We don't know, correct? The google.com website could be deployed anywhere, correct or not?
Yes.
So actually, we are mapping this google.com.in with this IP, correct?
Yes.
I'll get my point here. What happens if I type NSLOOKUP? If I type NSLOOKUP, what happens? Unknown. You can't find unknown cannot find this particular domain, non-existent domain. Correct? Okay, sorry, get my point. Okay. Why we are getting non-existent domain? The reason, no name server has this domain. Whenever you purchase it really, practically if you purchase it, you might have stored that in one of the name server. Then you won't get this message. You will get the IP address of this particular domain. Are you getting my point?
Right.
Yes.
I'll explain this. Very simple. Here, what will I do? I will just add a record set. I'll type www.arecordset and I'll type 20.20.20.20.
This is which IP address?
Random IP. Actually, I should give a proper IP there. Any Docker container instance IP or app service IP. Are you getting my point? Guys, here what IP I should give?
This thing, any VM or app service or Docker.
Where you have your application deployed.
Okay, yes.
Okay, actually time is over, guys. Let us complete this tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, basically, let's see if I'm able to purchase the domain. Then we'll do
you do one thing
properly.
You properly purchase one domain from here, app service domain. Okay.
That would be costly. If I go with the GoDaddy.
Anywhere. Otherwise, you can purchase it from GoDaddy as well. No worries.
Yeah.
We can do it on GoDaddy as well. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Probably I'm already having it. I don't know when I maybe purchased it 2-3 years back, but maybe I will have to renew it.
You just check it out. If you're having a GoDaddy account and if it has DNS settings, then that is it. We can simply up our website in 5 minutes. It won't take more than 5 minutes.
Yes, we'll do it. Yeah.
Welcome to LWPLABS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!